What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. We're back here with another one. Got a package. This one is from Original Repops. Let's see what's inside.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254. Like I just said, we got a package here. Fresh in out that boat. I don't know if it came off a boat. Part number CP208. 1977 to 99 Caprice hood installation. Get this. I'm not gonna actually pull it all the way out the box. Let me get my blade right quick. I mean, I guess I can pull it somewhat out the box, but I know that I'm not gonna install it right now. But I did want to go ahead and show y'all because the installation video would be kind of, I don't know, boring. But I guess I should let y'all decide that. So y'all decide if it's boring or not. It ain't nothing but some clips and things. So basically, under your hood, there's an underhood insulation, and that's exactly. Yeah, I'm not gonna pull it all the way out. I'm gonna just pull it out a little bit so y'all can see. And then when we install it, y'all can see it all the way. So yeah, as you can see there, that's the underhood insulation. Comes with the clips. I wanna say I saw my boy Trav with it. On his I think he was a 1990 box Chevy. It was just like super duper clean up under there. I was like, I like that look. You know what I'm saying? A lot of time that thing up under there, under hood can get real junky, funky, ugly looking. I realized how much of a difference that it made when I looked at it. So I was like, I gotta get me one of them, bruh. I gotta get me one of them. But yeah, CP208, 1977 to 1999. Okay, Caprice hood insulation. It is the repop. Like I said, I got the thing. I want to say either off eBay or Amazon. I don't remember 100% which one. Probably with eBay, if I remember correctly, being it came FedEx. But I could be wrong. So when it well, I guess in movie magic, we're gonna go ahead and get this swapped out, put on there. But like, I forgot what I paid for. It might have been like 60, 65 bucks, something like that. Whatever it was, I cried afterwards. I definitely cried afterwards. But sometimes it is what it is, man. Sometimes. Not all the time. Sometimes. So let me know down in the comments. Like I said, there'll be another video doing the install when I get ready to do that. The weather been kind of crazy here lately, so basically I'm gonna have to wait. You know what I'm saying? Same situation with when I got the tires in. I had to wait on them because the weather was crazy. So same situation with this, but only thing is I don't have to take this nowhere to get installed. Like all I gotta do is take it outside and do it myself. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, there ain't nothing but some clips, which do come included with the purchase. You know what I'm saying? You go through it and you pretty much just push them into the hood and you're good to go, man. So definitely, especially if you a person that care about under your hood or whatever. Like, I don't even plan on popping my hood, and I still thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and grab this. So, yeah. So, thank y'all for watching. If this is something that you're interested in, I will try to find the link and put it in the description box below. If not, just go look on YouTube and search for the underhood insulation, and you should be able to find it. So, as always, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.